Okay, y'all, so today I am going to be unboxing Enhypen's new album. I did get this off of the Enhypen shop, so it is the signed version of the album. I did look it up before. The versions are Make You Mine. I think this is Make, this is You, this is Mine. I think, I don't know. I just know the names, I don't know what they look like. But also, these albums are freaking huge, as you can see. Okay, now I am going to open up the Make version. Put these off to the side. Honestly, I'll be fine with any of the members. But I preferably want Sunny or Jake. I don't know where things are, but oh, are these like stickers? No, they are not. Get this. Probably gonna like zoom it in later. Mask reminds me of that character Bane. I think that's his name. Well, I think this is a Sunghyun. Yes, it is. I always be getting them in these Zayn albums. No complaints. Oh, did the camera move a little bit? Looks like this is a lyric book. This is probably some Easter egg. Yeah, I just realized they all have. Do they all have black hair in this? I wasn't paying attention. No, okay, Jungwon doesn't have black hair. Okay, it's like plastic now. Ooh. And here is the DVD. That. Okay. Okay, well, let me see what we got. Sunghyun. The front of the postcard, his back. Okay, and this is the poster. Zoom in on the poster. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is where the codes are. So it's the Make theme. Okay, let's see. What is this? A sticker. Okay, there's something else in there. Oh, like postcard stamp thingies. Whoa. Let's see. Let's put y'all to the side. Wait, show this off. A big giant sticker. Oh no, wait, then it's individual. Okay, let's see. Okay, Jongwon. Okay, and Nikki. Is this Nikki? I think so. Okay, on to the next album. Okay, I like this is everything that I pulled from the thing, but okay. Now on to the next album, which is the U version. Okay, next album, the U version. I believe this is the U version. Oh, great. Boom. Put these off to the side. To the corner. Okay. Take a look at this. Interesting. A lyric book. Oh, okay. The DVD disc me is DVD is yellow. In the corner, the poster. Okay. Okay, let's see who we got. Yes, I have no idea who this is. I think it starts with an S, so it's probably Sunu? Is that Sunu? I thought Sunu was different. I think this is Sunu's. I think. Because it doesn't look like Sunhyun. Let me just see it's Sunu. Yay! Anyways, okay, let's check out the other things. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this, but on the back of the other one it also says Desire Unleashed in like a gray one. Like their thingies, whatever this is called. So what's this yellow stuff? So I don't know if this like It's not like a particular member, but or if this is like random, like what these thingies. I don't know. The stickers. Okay, now let's see what number I got. Oh, Sunu! Okay, let's see. Isang. Okay, well, this is everything that I got. Now on to the next version. Okay, so this is mine version. Okay, there we go. That in the corner. Yeah, I'm not turning. That's look off the people. They're in like a circle. Turn it. Hmm. Okay, now this one's red. Let's take a look at the poster. Specifically the front cover. Okay. Okay, let's look at the postcard. Let's see. Who is this? Y'all, who is this? It's not like it's not Sunghyun or Sunyu. I know that. I don't think it's Nikki. Guys, what? Who is this? Anyways, okay. I guess I'll just Google it later. I will say I like this color. But I think that all the versions, I believe, the make version, the first one in this video, I like the best. And then yeah, my ranking is make and then you and then mine. that order. This one also came with less eyeballs. Stickers. Oh wait, no highlight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah. See. Jake. Okay. Oh, I hope I get everyone in this video. Who did I not get? I did not get Sunghyun or Jay. So, oh, Sunu. Okay, well, that is everything. I'll cut to all my results. Okay, here are all of my results. Also, I don't know if this is Nikki or Sunghyun, but I'm pretty sure this is Nikki. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure it's Nikki. But anyways, I don't know who this is though. I don't know. Pretty sure this is Sunghyun. This is Sunhyun. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.